Hey everyone!
We're part of the Cobra Bands.
We're sorry we can't be here in person right now.
We're performing live at state championships for marching band
Right now! In West Palm.
Wish us luck!
5, 6, 7, 8.
Cobras!
Our music strand consists of two different areas, orchestra and band. Our orchestra is our string family, which is violin, viola, cello, and upright bass. The band family consists of all of our woodwind instruments, all of our brass instruments, all percussion, all piano, and electric bass in the jazz idiom, and electric guitar in the jazz idiom. Our program is very fortunate that we do a lot of collaboration together, so frequently our string orchestra and our full band will combine to make a full magnet orchestra. We're very blessed to have one wing for all of our students and all of our space, and all of our students can play together anytime they choose. Our magnet music program is very lucky to have received many awards. So consistent superior ratings at district music performance assessment, that's all of our jazz, our concert band, marching band, orchestra performances. We're consistently ranked in the top 5 marching bands in the state. We've performed in Carnegie Hall, 2 different Super Bowls live. Our students are in multiple honor bands and orchestra festivals, including recent performances at Allstate, it's always in Tampa, an international honors performance in Australia that was for an orchestra student, University of Miami honor bands, superintendents, all honors ensembles, bands, orchestras, jazz bands, FSU's Tri-State honor band, and the FAU string honors. So we have a lot of students doing a lot of things, a lot of honors programs here, and a lot of accolades and awards for our program. You're going to get a brief tour of our magnet music wing. Unfortunately, we're not here because we're competing at our state marching band finals up in West Palm Beach and Jupiter, 2 sites in one day. But you'll see here on our screen, we have an entire wing for all of our students. You'll see in the picture in the upper left-hand corner, we have individual student lockers. Every student is assigned to a locker who chooses to have all of their instrument supplies, maybe practice clothes if they're in our band or guard families. You'll see at the end of the hallway, we have our music theory room. It's a traditional classroom set up with a Promethean board and all of the traditional things that you would see in an academic classroom. We also teach our dual enrollment music theory course, our pre-AP music theory course in this room as well. On the right, you'll see at the end of our hallway, we have our wonderful orchestra room. It's our bottom left-hand picture here with our risers and our tiers. We have plenty of space for all of our string family members. And on the bottom right and the top right, you'll see our band room. All students have their own lockable personal lockers for their instruments, either brought from home or from school with their own locks. At the bottom, you'll see our full band, which has risers, a plethora of percussion equipment, and a very large rehearsal space. We have one of the largest band rooms in Dade County. We frequently host honors events in our facilities because we do have a lot of space in both rehearsal rooms. Not pictured in these pictures are our practice rooms. We have a suite of practice rooms on the left-hand side of our hallway that students can rent out and check out for string quartet rehearsals. We do sectionals for all of our instrument groups during school. We have the ability to lock the end wing doors to kind of protect and secure our magnet students during rehearsals, so we can go from room to room and make sure that everyone's getting the individual attention and are able to break up into smaller groups, so we have a lot of space for our students to explore the musicians they want to be.
Hi everyone, my name is Gia. I'm a senior at South Miami Senior High, and I'm a part of the school's magnet band. I play trombone in jazz band, euphonium in concert band, and baritone in marching band. I chose South Miami because of how the band is like a family and every individual matters in this program. This program has allowed me to be a part of multiple honor bands. An honor band is a group of students who represent the best musicians from each school based on auditions and nominations. Band allows me to pursue extracurriculars, including the girls' varsity flag football team. I've been a captain for 4 years on the offensive line and a starting quarterback. They also allow me to pursue rigorous academics, including the Cambridge program, which offers a well-rounded high school experience. And this is why South Miami should be your first choice.
Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm a junior here at South. I play trumpet for jazz band and concert band. I chose South because it allows me to not just do one thing, but have the opportunity to be able to do multiple things at the same time. This program has also given me the opportunity by being selected for honor bands like Miami-Dade and FSU, getting first trumpet for both, and I'm very grateful for that opportunity. Here at South, they give you opportunities to not just be you, but to explore the things that you've never done before or you've never thought you'd do.